Hello, fellow marketers. Happy Friday. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. In today's episode in the lab, I'll be talking about chatbot widgets and how we saw a 4x increase month over month with just rebuilding them and using the chatbot widgets a different way. So as you can see on my screen here, this is kind of the back end of Drift playbooks. We rebuilt all of our playbooks to be more personalized and just level them up. In Intercom, we were using that tool before the switch, and we were in a lot of our chatbot widgets. Usually there'd be a chatbot widget here. We would be sending people to a calendar page like this to book a meeting, and it was not working out so well. So we kind of started from scratch and rebuilt it all, and using Drift's playbooks. So they have these awesome playbooks, and we've kind of tweaked some based on our website and what we thought would work. But we personalized them a little bit more based on where they were at, if they've been to the website before, if they've been to the website 3 times, what area of the site they're on, a lot of different playbooks. And what I liked about Drifts versus Intercom is their builder. It was easier to create that logic with if this happens and that happens, and the different triggers that you could set up. And it's easy to do in Intercom as well, but we just enjoy the experience building it within Drift a little bit more. And there's more resources and templatized playbooks that Drift offered that just made the whole thing a lot easier to use. So I want to walk you through some examples of what we did. The major thing, like I mentioned before, was switching away from sending people to a calendar link or sending people to a form and letting them book directly in the chat window. So this is the homepage here. I want to show you an example on our About page where this thing pings up down here. You can personalize the message, add some more personality based on your brand. But here, puss ups down here, can I ask you a question? I'll go, sure, go for it. Ask some qualifying questions here. What brought you to the site today? We target software marketers, so we leave a few different options here, but I'm gonna choose this. A software marketer looking to grow pipeline revenue for our business. Try to add some more social proof or qualifying messaging here. If we're interested in booking some time here, you walk through that, that'd be great. Not ready yet. I'm not ready yet leads to other valuable resources that we can give them if they want to participate and engage with this chatbot. That would be great. Boom, it hooks up to available times with one of our SDRs. So that's really easy, and you don't really have to fill out too much of a form to book a time. All you need to put is your name and your email, and it's pretty seamless this way. And we saw a huge uptick from chatbot widget meetings booked versus what we had before, sending people to links, making it a lot harder too. Another example we used was on our main form page. If people wanted to skip this form, it's not that long, but it could be intimidating for most people that don't want to fill out a form. We have start live chat. We had this trigger based on that click. And another thing that helped as well was that we always gave an opportunity for anybody to talk to a human early in the flow. And if I click this here, it'll ask me some qualifying questions. If I wanted to have, if you were a prospect that wanted to just book a meeting, then you could do that as well. But this is just an example here. I could put my name, Bowie, and we would ask some more questions, and it would go to the right person based on what I put, if I was a software company or not. So yeah, that's basically it. We rebuilt everything, so it's not a simple change. But following the playbooks and the training, I would highly recommend you go through the Drift certification training. I knew a little bit about chatbot widgets, and but that training course, it only took like a few hours to go through, and then it gave you all of the necessary knowledge to build this out however you'd like. And not saying our chatbot setup is perfect or anything. There's a lot of room to test with improving things and whatnot. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful for you. You might have this set up already for your own website, but wanted to share it for those of you that maybe don't have it set up yet and are looking to increase meetings on your website through chatbot. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.